Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a huge cosmic mystery. How did the very first galaxies light up the entire universe? In the earliest times, the universe was filled with a thick fog of neutral hydrogen gas, but something cleared that fog in an event called the Epoch of Reionization. We know ionizing light from the first stars and galaxies did the job, but we've never been sure how that light managed to escape its home galaxy's dense gas. This new paper uses the James Webb Space Telescope to study a perfect natural laboratory for this problem, a distant galaxy called the Sunburst Arc. The Sunburst Arc is special because its light is bent and magnified by a massive galaxy cluster in front of it, an effect called gravitational lensing. This cosmic magnifying glass allows us to see the galaxy in incredible detail, as if it were much closer. What researchers found is that the Sunburst Arc isn't alone. It's in the middle of a major interaction or collision with a companion galaxy. This artist's impression shows the main galaxy, a bridge of stars and gas, and the interacting companion at the top. Looking at how the galaxy moves, they confirmed it's not a simple, peacefully rotating disk. These maps show that while there is some rotation, there's also a huge amount of turbulence, likely stirred up by the gravitational pull of its neighbor. Now, here's the crucial part. The light is escaping from a very specific, super bright star cluster within the galaxy. But when the scientists looked, they didn't see signs of a violent mechanical process, like an explosion, around the leaking cluster. The dust and gas motion around the cluster were surprisingly normal. What they did see was a dramatic spike in ionization right at the cluster's location, meaning the light itself was doing all the work of clearing a path. So if there wasn't a big explosion, how did the light get out so easily? The researchers propose a fascinating new scenario, which we can see in this conceptual sketch. They believe the galactic collision was the key. The gravity from the companion galaxy tidally stripped away most of the thick, neutral gas from around the leaking star cluster, thinning it out significantly. With most of the gas already gone, the cluster's intense radiation had a much easier job of ionizing the rest and burning a tunnel for the light to escape. It wasn't about blowing a hole in the wall, but about the wall already being made thin by an outside force. So, let's recap the main points. First, interactions and mergers between galaxies seem to be a crucial ingredient for allowing ionizing light to escape. Second, this escape doesn't always have to be a violent, explosive event. Tidal stripping can quietly prepare the way for light to break free through photoionization. This provides a much more complete picture of how the first galaxies could have reionized the universe. It suggests that the chaotic, merger-filled environment of the early cosmos was the perfect setting for clearing that cosmic fog and making the universe transparent, as we see it today. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.